Greetings financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Financial Context channel, your compass for navigating the intricacies of financial wisdom. In today's exploration, we're delving into a pivotal concept from Robert Kiyosaki's groundbreaking book, Cash Flow Quadrant. This groundbreaking framework classifies individuals into four distinctive windows: E for employee and S for self-employed or small business owner, representing the left side, and B for big business owner and I for investor, defining the right side. The left side often gravitates towards the illusion of job security, while the right side, embracing B and I, harnesses the power of financial intelligence for wealth creation. Our focus: unraveling the essential role of implementing business systems in your journey toward financial prosperity. Kiyosaki's insights challenge traditional paradigms, emphasizing the transformative power of systems in catapulting individuals from the left side to the lucrative B quadrant. Let's uncover the strategies and principles behind implementing business systems for wealth creation. 1. The evolution of business systems in the B quadrant. In the digital era, technology has revolutionized the landscape of business systems, making the path to financial success in the B quadrant more accessible than ever. Kiyosaki highlights the significance of leveraging these systems, emphasizing that they serve as the bridges allowing individuals to navigate from the left side to the right side of the cash flow quadrant seamlessly. He encourages to embrace the available technologies and systems that streamline business operations, paving the way for efficient and sustainable growth. For aspiring entrepreneurs, the integration of technology into business models is crucial. Software solutions, automation tools, and digital platforms aligned with specific industries can enhance operational efficiency. This proactive approach not only propels the business toward scalability but also positions it for long-term success, echoing the principles of the B quadrant where systematic operations are integral to sustained success. 2. The ease of financial success in the B quadrant. Implementing business systems is touted as a key factor in simplifying the journey to financial success in the B quadrant. Kiyosaki contends that, thanks to technology, the infrastructure for efficient systems is readily available. He encourages to capitalize on this ease by understanding and implementing business systems that align with your goals. By embracing these systems, individuals can transcend the constraints of the left side, unlocking opportunities for wealth creation and financial freedom. Individuals seeking financial success in the B quadrant can benefit from optimizing their business systems regularly. This entails assessing and refining systems to ensure alignment with evolving business objectives. Embracing a mindset of continuous improvement, individuals can leverage feedback and data to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your operations. His teachings suggest that scalable business systems are fundamental to success in the B quadrant. Strategically designing systems with scalability in mind positions individuals to capitalize on emerging opportunities without being hindered by operational limitations. 3. Personal development for leadership and confidence. Beyond the implementation of business systems, Kiyosaki underscores the importance of personal development in the B quadrant. Becoming financially successful involves not only mastering systems but also developing leadership skills and self-confidence. Viewers are encouraged to invest in lifelong education, fostering a mindset of continuous growth and adaptability. Leadership skills are crucial in the B quadrant. Individuals are encouraged to invest in lifelong education, fostering a mindset of continuous growth and adaptability. Individuals can proactively seek leadership training programs, workshops, or mentorship to enhance their ability to guide and inspire teams. Effective leadership fosters a positive workplace culture and is integral to the success of business systems. His emphasis on lifelong education highlights the enduring value of learning. Individuals can allocate time and resources to invest in ongoing education, whether through formal courses, industry certifications, or self-directed learning. This commitment to continuous learning positions individuals as dynamic and informed leaders in the B quadrant. 4. Bridges to the right side of the cash flow quadrant. Kiyosaki's analogy of business systems as bridges resonates as a powerful metaphor for aspiring wealth creators. These systems provide a secure path for individuals to traverse safely from the left side to the right side of the cash flow quadrant. Individuals are encouraged to visualize their business systems as strategic bridges, facilitating a seamless transition toward financial prosperity and success in the B quadrant. Adopting a visionary mindset is crucial for individuals aspiring to implement business systems effectively. Envisioning business systems not just as operational tools but as transformative bridges toward financial independence is key. Developing a clear vision for the business's trajectory and how systems play a pivotal role in achieving long-term goals positions individuals for success. Strategic planning is integral to the success of business systems. Engaging in strategic planning sessions to align business systems with overarching objectives enhances the efficacy of systems and contributes to sustained success in the BEAT quadrant. 5. Navigating technological advancements in business systems. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, individuals are encouraged to stay abreast of technological advancements that can elevate their business systems. Kiyosaki emphasizes that technological tools and innovations can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of business operations. Adopting cutting-edge technologies, such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, and automation, empowers individuals in the BEAT quadrant to streamline processes and gain a competitive edge. The ability to navigate and leverage technological advancements requires a proactive approach to learning and adaptation. Individuals are urged to invest time in understanding emerging technologies relevant to their industries. This knowledge not only enhances the functionality of business systems but also positions individuals as innovators in their respective fields. Embracing technology as an enabler of success in the BEAT quadrant opens doors to new possibilities and amplifies the impact of business systems on financial prosperity. 6. Balancing risk and innovation in business systems. Kiyosaki's teachings extend to the delicate balance between risk and innovation in the realm of business systems. While systems provide a structured framework for operations, embracing innovation is essential for staying ahead in the competitive landscape. Individuals are encouraged to cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset that welcomes calculated risks and explores innovative solutions to challenges. The BEAT quadrant thrives on dynamic and forward-thinking approaches. Individuals aspiring for financial success are advised to assess their risk tolerance and incorporate innovation into their business systems. This involves creating a culture of continuous improvement, where feedback is welcomed, and adjustments are made to enhance system efficiency. His emphasis on the synergy between risk and innovation underscores that success in the BEAT quadrant is not just about adherence to systems but about the strategic evolution of those systems to meet the demands of a changing business landscape. In conclusion, the implementation of business systems is a cornerstone of financial success in the BEAT quadrant. As technology paves the way for accessible systems, individuals are empowered to capitalize on this transformative journey. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue our exploration of wealth-building principles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content on your financial journey. And, as always, explore the links in the description for a curated list of useful financial products that can aid you on your path to financial success. Let's embark on the road to wealth creation through effective business systems.